Alright, hello everybody, it's Hedgehog here. Today we are in the airplane and this will be for DC to Nashville, Tennessee. Yay! Yay! Hi guys. Hello, hi. Hello. So we're gonna be taking off pretty soon. Yep. Yeah. No. Yeah, sorry guys, we're talking to someone else. Alright, hold on. Alright, here we go. There's Morrow's reflection. Hello. Hey. And Tails, of course. Hello. Okay, we gotta wait for it to turn off. Yeah. Okay, so only me and Monroe are in. Yep, that's it. Wow. Yep. Yeah. Hey guys, here's the donuts in there. Ooh, yum. But we're gonna lift off pretty soon, guys. So here's the airplane again. Southwest, there's a different plane, so yeah. Are we leaving soon? Yes. What time? 5:53. Wow. Yeah. Is this part 1, part 2? Possibly. Oh man, we gotta not make too many videos. I know. Wow. Okay. I think the first day will not go Disney. Yeah, because we just arrived. Yeah. So day 2 and other days might get it. Maybe? Wow. Oh. Wow. Yeah.
Muốn mở e không? Được rồi. Ghi vô cái.
It's taking a while. Yeah. Hope it's not too long. Yeah, I hope it's not too long either. Yeah. Is this phone airplane mode? Oh, actually I didn't put airplane mode. Oh no. Yeah, so I think we're gonna make this a part 1, part 2. Oh well. Yep. Oh well. No. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's it. So yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my guys. Yet see part 2 of the DC to Nashville, Tennessee airport for takeoff. All right. Bye. 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 Bye.
All right, folks. That's
bye. Bye, guys.